Welcome to the Home Squeeze. In this video, we're going to remove the breadcrumb from the Woocommerce single product page. Open your single product page in your web browser. Sometimes, as is the case for this page, the breadcrumb can be redundant and unnecessary. Since we already have the navigation tools in close proximity, we really could forego this breadcrumb. So we're going to remove it. To remove the breadcrumb, we have two options. We can override and edit the Woocommerce single product page template by overriding the templates in the Woocommerce plugin, or we can remove the content using WordPress action or filter hooks. In this video, we want to keep it simple, so we're going to go with the second option and remove the breadcrumb using a WordPress action hook. Open your text editor. My text editor of choice is Brackets. The good thing about Brackets is that you can open your WordPress installation in your sidebar. So if you click over here where it says WordPress, yours may say something different if you have a different folder open. Click on the arrow and click Open Folder to open our installation of WordPress that we're going to use. I have mine in the Downloads folder, so if you click on Home Squeeze, that's my WordPress installation that I'm using for this website. So navigate to WordPress-content, themes, and you should see all of the themes that are currently installed on your WordPress site. So we have the Home Squeeze signature theme, 2015, 2017, 2016. We're going to create a new folder for our child theme. And the reason we are using a child theme is because if at a later date we decide to edit or upgrade or update our theme, we won't lose any of the custom changes that we've made to the code. Only the original files would be updated. So if we control click on themes, new folder, we're going to name this 2016-child. You want to consider which theme you have currently active or which theme you are making a child theme for when you're naming it, because you want it to be something simple. It's totally arbitrary. You can name it anything you want. It doesn't matter in terms of functionality, but you do want to make it something to make it easy for you to know which parent theme it's associated with. So 2016 child. We want to create a new file in this folder titled style.css. This is the default template or default file that all WordPress themes must have. This is the file that declares your theme as a WordPress theme, and this is also the file that contains all of the site styling. So this file needs the style sheet header. So in it, type the following things, and I have a double pane view, so we're on the right side at the moment. So theme name, 2016 child. Author, you can put your name. We're going to put Charlie Home Squeeze. Author URI. This is your website, so we're going to put thehomesqueeze.com. Template. This is the slug for the template that this child theme goes to. The slug for 2016 is 2016 in lowercase letters with no spaces. We're going to put version 1.0.0. And the text domain for this child theme will be 2016-child. So close that style comment, save this file, and if you navigate to your browser, go to Appearance and Themes. Now you'll see the 2016 child theme available, but there's no information there because we haven't put anything in this file or edit it in any way. So if we click on it, we can see 2016 child version 1.0.0 by Charlie Homesqueeze, and it says this is a child theme of 2016. So it pulled all of that information from our style sheet header. So now that we have that declared, we want to create our next file. So in the left side of our theme, we're going to create functions.php. So again, left click on 2016-child, new file, functions.php. The functions.php file, just like in the parent theme, is the file that contains the functionality for your child theme. So you have the option of creating a custom plugin for this functionality as well, but in this tutorial, we are going to do it via a child theme. Okay, so we want to create our functions.php. All PHP pages must have the opening and ending PHP tags, or it will not render properly at all, really. And the first thing we want to do is we want to enqueue our parent theme style sheet. So enqueue parent theme, we want to make a comment there so we know what we're doing. And we're going to use the add action function. So add_action. The add action function takes 2 arguments. So we'll set up our syntax before we get started. That's something I like to do just to minimize the number of syntactical errors. Enqueue parent styles. Okay. And we have to define the function enqueue parent styles. So WP_enqueue_style parent-style get_template_directory_URI style.css. So if we go ahead and save this, oops, I'm sorry. First, before you save it, comment all of this out because I want to show you all something. So we'll save this. This won't render because all of the code is inside of PHP comment tags. So save it. We're going to go back to our web browser and we're going to activate this 2016 child theme. And I want to do this before we enqueue our parent style sheets because this will verify whether or not this child theme is working properly. So I opened it in a new tab. And yes, it is working properly because as expected, it broke the layout. So because we do not yet have the parent theme installed or enqueued, not installed, we can't see the proper rendering of our child theme. So now go back to brackets and take those comments tags off. Now save this and go back and refresh your page. Oops, something isn't right. Okay. Okay, here's the issue. So when I type the get underscore template underscore directory underscore URI function, and I appended it to this path. I typed styles with an S, and it's style.css if you look over here in the right pane. So you want to make sure you don't have simple errors like that. So save the page again, and if you refresh it, then it should appear as normal. There we go. So now that we've verified that our child theme is functioning properly, we're going to get started removing our breadcrumb. If you navigate to your single product page and look at the top just above your single product image, you'll see the breadcrumb. The breadcrumb includes a link to the home page as well as a static copy of your product title. Because we have both of these available in such close proximity, we're going to remove our breadcrumb. Navigate to your text editor. If you click on the plugins in the WP-content folder and scroll down and click on Woocommerce, and in the templates folder, you'll see the template for the single-product.php page. On lines 25 through 33, you'll see the action function that contains our breadcrumb. So in order to remove our breadcrumb, we must use the remove action function to unplug it from the Woocommerce before main content function. We're going to navigate back to the functions.php file of our child theme. So on the sidebar, I close out my plugins, collapse my plugins rather. And I open functions.php. So below where we've enqueued our parent style sheet, we're going to include the remove action function. So remove underscore action. And just like the add action function, this takes two parameters, two variables. So the first, Woocommerce before main content, is the function that we are removing something from. The second is the function that we are removing. So the Woocommerce underscore breadcrumb. Also, this function requires the priority of the function that we are removing, which if you go back to your single-product.php page in your Woocommerce plugins files, you will see the priority of the Woocommerce breadcrumb listed right beside it on line 30. Okay, so we're going to go back to functions.php and put 20. So if we save this and go back to our single product page and refresh it, voila, the breadcrumb has been removed from above our single product image. So if you found this video helpful, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up on this video. Please leave us a comment. Please let us know how we can improve or if there's anything that you would like to see. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at The Home Squeeze. Thank you and have a great day.